Are you sick of buying headlights and having to buy the adapters separately? Well, Morimoto has solved this issue for you with their new assembly pack that is compatible with 2009 to 2018 Ram truck headlights. I'm going to go through what you get in this pack and what they're compatible with. The first thing in the bag is these resistors, and these just increase your load so your truck doesn't think that you have a burnt out bulb. These resistors are compatible with the dual and quad models, and they even have magnets, which make them super easy to install. And these are the interchangeable keys which dictate your running daytime lights and your turn signals, and we've already made a video which we will link below. This is the cable that is only compatible with the RGB headlights because it connects the two together, and I will show you where it goes. So into this smaller one, just clicks like this. Next, in the fourth packet, you are going to find this adapter, which is compatible with your quad and dual models. Your fifth and final cable is for your projector models. And then last in the bag are these two fuse cables, which accommodate for the make and model you drive. And here is the extender cable for those. You can find this extender cable in the second last component of the bag.